guys see that, go ahead and just delete the fibs. All right, we took this buy again last night. Again, we marked it up together. All right, we were looking for potential buy opportunities from this resistance to support zone. We have the strong rejection. All right, it was, I believe, 50, 61 fib area. All right, scaling down, there was, I believe, a fake out and a snap right back above. All right, looking at the 4-hour, you guys, looking at the 4-hour, you guys can see the size of these 4-hour candlesticks, not too convincing. All right, the size of this, look at the size of the bulls. All right, so they look very confident. All right, so it looks like it was an inverted head and shoulders on the 1-hour time frame. We got that strong engulfing. So now, we got our targets set. So all we have to do is just sit on our hands and let it play out, you guys. If we get a strong daily closure like this, and even if we engulf 50% of this candlestick right here, all right, I do see this bullish, you guys. I do see this bullish. All right, remember higher time frame. We were looking bullish. You guys can see how aggressive we were last 2 weeks ago. And on the monthly, you guys can see we managed to break new highs. All right, this monthly zone, 1-1, I believe around the 1-1-500. All right, so really liking this pair. All right, really liking the pair. But again, anything can happen. So that's why we have our stop loss set. All right, guys, and we accept the risk for any reason. All right, but other than that, moving on to EA. All right, you guys know we called this pair, I believe, on the 30th. All right, we called it around, I believe, off this first pin bar rejection. Ended up coming back 1, 2, 3, 4 more times, you guys. You guys can see how it never broke this area down here. All right, we managed to create a double bottom. All right, and we just bounced off this zone. All right, again, higher time frame. We knew this zone was a key level. All right, you guys know prices tend to react and magnetize towards these key levels. All right, so with that being said, all right, you guys can see we had a break retest, break retest. So we are almost at our first target. That's 615. All right, so this is our target 1. And our target 2, we're going to be swinging this price secure partials midway and then look for the rest at 614. All right, you guys. You guys can see we broke above this area. I was cautious about this area. All right, but if we maintain above here, all right, I can see if our targets fulfill. And I believe that is about 100 pips from this zone. From the target 130 it's saying. So let's see what happens. All right, EA, EN. All right, same thing. Again, we were consolidating break of the area, strong pin bar rejection. This was what got us into the trade. All right, we can either get in right at the closure of it or wait for the next candlestick closure. All right, we got in right at that candle, and you guys can see again, just like EA, break retest. Break retest, you guys can see the pin bar rejection. So if we maintain above this area, I can see targets fulfill. All right, definitely look to move. I definitely look to see our stop loss being moved to break even shortly. All right, because it is an overall downtrend. I just keep that in mind. Other than that, let's go ahead and go to USD CAD. All right, you guys know break, retest. All right, so if we manage to break these lows down here, I see this dropping like a knife, okay? So breaker bounce situation, all right? But again, the momentum is on the seller side. All right, guys. All right, and the reason I say that is just by looking at the size of the candlesticks. All right, you guys, we're looking strong and confident. All right. Other than that, last pair I want to go over would be AU. This pair, you guys can see we went over it last night. All right, I think it was around right here when we went over it. All right, we had a strong Morningstar reversal formation. All right, you guys can see at the first bearish candle. All right, the second candle is that indecision, that slowdown. All right, and the third candle is usually bullish, and it engulfs 50% or more of the first candlestick. All right, you guys. Right after that, we snapped right back down. You guys can see we ended up slowing down, creating a W or a double bottom. All right, so if we maintain above this zone, you guys, I'm seeing a potential buy opportunity. All right, the best entry would be at this area. All right, but if we see we had this engulfing, all right, then engulfed 1, 2, all right, candlesticks. So see around right over here. All right, guys. Other than that, again, the reason we're taking this trade is because it broke new highs. All right, managed to break this previous resistance area, and now it is testing as support. You guys can see it looks like we're creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. And zooming out on the higher time frame, we did manage to break this downtrend. Okay. So if we maintain above this zone, all right, we can definitely look for some buy opportunities. All right, if we want to wait for a daily closure, all right, just to confirm, all right, that's also an option too. All right, but again, we're liking the W. All right, so let's see again how this next 4-hour closure is. All right. Other than that, we went over EA, EN, EU, UCAD, gold. Just gapped up over the weekend. You guys can see we're just we ended up consolidating. Let's go ahead and just zoom in a little bit. Let's see. What was that 4-hour closure around right here? All right, so we're just testing. Looks like we're making a double bottom, or I'm sorry, a double top and formation. All right. I don't look to see any selling positions because we're looking so bullish. I would love to see if we can get back to this area. All right, fill the gap as well. All right, this would be a nice buying opportunity. All right. Other than that, see. Yeah, I think that's it. AU is definitely the pair we are looking at. All right, guys. If you have any questions or anything at all, definitely feel free to say it in the chat or hit us up afterwards or schedule a one-on-one. Honestly, but today, honestly, just gonna be monitoring our trades and just looking at AU mainly. All right, guys. Other than that, hope everyone has an amazing day. We'll send this call. If you guys don't have any questions, we'll send this call as soon as it's finished. All right, finish rendering and whatnot. All right, we'll send recaps, setups, markups on the website. All right, and stay tuned for any signals if anything happens. All right, you guys. But other than that, if you guys have anything at all, please don't hesitate to schedule a one-on-one. All right, and stay tuned for some heat to come. All right, we got more videos on the boot camp coming out. All right, we're gonna be revamping everything, and along with that, CA Mastery course, the Black Pages. All right, so stay tuned for the heat. Other than that, you guys, hope everyone has an amazing day. All right, much peace, much love, much abundance.